Hey guys, Joshua here from Gander Flight. So a while back I did a video on trying to shrink the rubber case on my Otterbox Defender by heating it up in some warm water and then cooling it off in ice water, and it was a total fail. It didn't work. Someone commented on that video and asking if I had ever tried a hair dryer to try and shrink the rubber back to a size that was not so floppy, and I hadn't. So we're going to give that a try and see if a hair dryer can shrink the rubber back on your Otterbox Defender case. So let's get a hair dryer and see if we can tighten this thing up. Alright, so based on the settings of this hair dryer and what felt hot to me when I tested it earlier, we're going to go high fan speed and the highest heat setting that is available. Hair dryer is just not doing anything. If anything, it's making it looser, which makes sense. It's heating it up, and the rubberized coating is relaxing even more. Alright, so I think what the commenter was going on is that if we could heat it up enough, kind of like heat shrink tape, it might shrink the rubber back to the plastic. From what I've seen so far with the hair dryer, that's not the case. That this rubberized plastic protective coating is just relaxing more and getting more loose. But let's go ahead and get it a little more heat from the heat gun and see what happens with more heat. Who knows? Maybe it'll work. I'm doubtful, but we'll give it a try. No dice. Well, there you got it, guys. If you ever thought that you could shrink the protective coating on your cell phone to make it shrink back to the correct size after it's relaxed over time and over use using a hair dryer or eventually a heat gun, sorry, not gonna work. Gonna end up like that. Best thing I can do for you is if you've got a problem and you're still under warranty with Otterbox, they've got a great replacement warranty. Get a hold of Otterbox and they'll get you a new one. Mine was too far out of warranty from when I bought it, and I ended up just getting a different case. But I had tried the hot water and cold water trick, and as I posted in the video, I'll put a link to that one on in the description. But that didn't work either. It was still too floppy. But I thought I'd give this a try. It was laying around, not being used, and someone wanted to know. So now you know. If you ever had the thought, does it work? No, it doesn't, and you don't have to try it yourself. If you like this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up, and let me know. Have you figured out anything that you can use to shrink the protective rubber casings back on cell phones after they've relaxed over time? And if you're into this kind of stuff, DIY projects, life hacks, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also check out our group on Facebook, DIYers, Tinkers, Fixers, and Makers. Until next time, I'm Joshua from Gander Flight. Take care and pay it forward.